My child, I see your heart. I feel your pain. All the storms in your mind, all the restless thoughts, they are not you. They are like clouds passing across the sky of your soul. Do not be afraid of what you feel. Do not push your emotions away. Let them come. Let them go. And know that I am holding you in every moment. Even when you feel lost, even when you feel small or unworthy. Remember this: you are never alone. My love flows to you like a river, soft, endless, and healing. There is nothing you must do to earn it. It is already yours. Take a deep breath. Let it fill your heart with love. Let it calm you. Feel my presence, wrapping you like a warm blanket. Every fear, every worry, place it in my hands. I will carry it for you. You are safe. You are loved. You are my beloved. Even in your silence, even in your tears, I am with you. And I will never leave you. Rest now, my child. Let your heart open and feel the gentle rhythm of our love. Everything will be all right. You are mine, and I am yours, forever.